yes guys, we are out today. I am at one of my local, and we are going to get some plants and some soil. So let's see what they have. Plants and soil is what we're getting today. I see they got some lovely one here. I don't want to get anything too expensive. Yeah, so let's see what they have. So they have these ones here that we can possibly get. I am going to transfer it out into a different pot. So I want something that's gonna run. I don't know what we're trying to get. I have to like maybe just read. I want something pretty at the same time, as well as something that is running at the same time is what I want to get. So if we're looking, let's see what it says. I like this one here. It's very pretty. This one is pretty, and it's very colorful, and it says, I said I'm gonna change it from the pot that it's in. So I know these one definitely spreads as well. Season best. So yeah, let's see which one I'm getting today. Hello baby, hello. Yeah, I can't wait for this project guys. I think it's gonna be amazing. So let's see. They've got these one. Oh yeah, this is the one. I think these ones, when you plant, because there's so much in there, it's very good because they do bloom a lot, and they're not that expensive for these ones, I think. So I think these are a good choice to put in. And yeah, these are pretty as well, these ones, and they're mixture, you can see. So I think we're gonna go for these mixture one here. She's very good. This is a better one. Alright, so these ones are pretty. I like these ones. I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna get one that has a pink in it as well. Like these ones. I think are good ones to get. Yeah, I don't know what else to add in there. Maybe a bit of purple, maybe a bit of these ones as well with it. It says any 3 for £6. So I'm thinking, is it any 3 like including these ones? If so be the case, then yeah, I'll get one of these ones. Then I'll get also the pink one as well to go with it. Yeah, so I've got I literally got, I think I'm only planting up like 4 pots, so I don't want to get too much because obviously it has to be able to fit in the pots that I'm gonna plant. I like a bit of pink. And as I said, I've got the color in there, so I think these ones are really good one. Hi babe, hello, you alright? Look, so I'm out with baby Arlo this morning as well. So yeah, okay, let's go and keep going because he doesn't like to stay in one place for too long. Well, I like these ones as well. They're more, let's see. All right, so I also need to get some all-purpose soil, but obviously I don't have the space to hold it now. So what I'll do is I'll go in, see what else I need first, and then I'll come back out to get the all-purpose soil. I might get some of the bigger ones as well that's already bloom up big. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go in and then see what we are getting in here. Okay. So I need to get some of these rugs as well. But look at the price. I don't think it's that one that I want because that's expensive. Like, would I spend £35 on that? No. So I don't think that's the one I want. And yeah, Let's see. So I've got those plants and I need some soil. And what else I need? I'm gonna look at the cushions in here. Oh, it's happy hour. Look at that. That's really cool. It says it's happy hour, indoor and outdoor use. That's really pretty. But yeah, it's just something that I want. We'd love to get something on the outside wall as well. But guys, you're gonna see what I'm doing. This is basically maybe just part 1 of maybe 3-part series, okay, or 3 parts, not series, 3-part, because there's a lot to get done. I don't think I'll be able to get it all done in one go. It's just gonna be too long. I don't want it to be too long. Yeah, and yep. So I want to get a rug for the outside, like, you know, the rugs that they put down that you can put on the outside, but I don't want to get anything too expensive, because at the end of the day it's not gonna yeah. Oh, I love these ones in my room. Wow. But yeah, I want to get the outside one, but look at the price of these ones. Why are they? No, these are not the outside one, that's why. And then I was thinking them are too expensive. Like, I'm not paying money for that. Yeah, them are too expensive. Right. So where am I, guys? So you can see what I'm doing, where I'm going. So I've already got my paint that I'm gonna use to paint the fence. I've already got that, so I don't need any paint. I've got the pots already that I'm gonna plant the flowers in, so I don't need that either. I've got a sheet that I need to put down also. Already got that. Okay, let me look at the outside cushion. Actually, let me go over here first and see what they have over here. Like these cushions. One of his work getting the cushions, or I was planning on making it myself, because obviously I don't want to spend too much. So I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. So this is for, what is this? 2 packs. This isn't 2 pack. There's one in that 2 pack green one, and there's 40. Okay. It says 2 pack, but there's only 1 in a pack. Do you get 2? You just grab 2 then, I think. I mean, you can actually use these. Hold on, guys, because this thing is stuck. I don't know why it's so stuck. Let me get it tightened back. There. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm talking. So these ones are saying they're 2 packs. And they're $14.99. 1, 2. I don't know how much we need to fit on the bottom. I don't know how comfortable they'll be sitting on as well. That's the thing. And this long one here is, I don't know. I've got a plan, because I might improvise and do mine a bit different. But I don't know. But that's an option anyway. That's an option if I don't get the chance to make mine, because I was planning and actually sewing my own cushion covers and then buying the foam to put inside. And I don't want them to be waterproof as well, and those don't seem to be waterproof. So I'm not quite sure yet. Ooh, I like these ones as well, but these are just your normal cushion that you put, and this is for indoor and outdoor use, but again, it's not waterproof, is it? These ones are cute. Outdoor cushion 2 pack. It says $6.99. I love the color. I don't think these are the ones that are $6.99. Let me see what it says. It says, hello. All right, I'm still pushing. I'm still going. You don't like to be stopped, do you? Well, I can't really pass there because that thing is in the way. So you need to pass. You gotta push it away and then keep pushing because Mister. Oh yeah, it must be these ones down there. That is the. Alright. Alright. So guys, as you can hear, Mister is not having any of it. So let's get the soil. Yes. You can't reach it there. Alright, there you go. Okay. Alright, so guys, he doesn't like to be in this pushchair at all. I'm trying to go as fast so he can like enjoy it. Because I need to get some lighting. Yeah, I need to get some. Lighting. Let's see what we got here. You see? I don't want to spend so much. I think if I go to B&M, I can get some really pretty ones for less. I like these mushroom ones, but 10 pack as well. But I want something that I can hang. So these ones I said I like, but I want something that I can hang up. I don't want something that I have to put in the dirt. So yeah, and they have some there, but it's not the ones. I don't think they're worth it. So you see, like these. Oh, but I wonder how much are these. These come with that, so that's definitely not for sale. That comes with that. All right, I'm gonna get someone to get me the all-purpose soil from outside because I can't take that. Even if I didn't have my camera, I could not take that because I don't have anywhere to put it. So sorry. So yeah, let's see. I think I'll have to just go back out. So much of those baby wipes, $7.99 for them wipes, yeah. Per pack, baby pure. Oh, and then 11. Oh, I just got those for £6. I got those for £6. I'm not gonna spend £11 for them there when I can get them for £6. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside actually because I realized they have definitely got more selection of plant outside. You see, I should have come out here first because there's the selection, guys. Look, there's a wider selection and bigger ones as well, which is really nice. Oh yeah. Just get me paying up. Hold on. Pay by card, please.
Okay. $22.49 to pay, then pay.
Thank you. Okay, so that should be done.
And the receipt.
Thank you. Sorry.
Return this one.
Yeah, no worries.
Just get these under here. I'll come back for this one.
Yeah.
So that's all done. And I just need to, I think I need to put the baby in the car and then I'll come back and pick those because there's no way I can carry that. And yeah, oh gosh, I hope this person didn't park too close to me. But the reason why I parked like that is because I got the baby and I need to put the baby in the car. Well, no, they're fine. All right, let's put him in.